How to clean porcelain tile floors without harsh chemicals. Dear friends, porcelain tile floors are popular because they are durable, stylish, and easy to maintain. But many homeowners wonder how to keep them clean without using harsh chemicals that can affect indoor air quality and damage grout over time. The good news is that porcelain tiles can be cleaned effectively with simple household ingredients. Start by sweeping or vacuuming the floor regularly to remove dust, dirt, and small debris that can cause scratches. Next, mix warm water with a few drops of mild dish soap. Use a microfiber mop to clean the tiles gently. This solution removes everyday dirt and grease without leaving harmful chemical residues on the floor. For tougher stains, try a mixture of equal parts water and white vinegar. Lightly mop the affected area and then rinse with clean water. Vinegar helps break down grime naturally while keeping your tiles looking fresh and shiny. Avoid using abrasive scrubbers, steel wool, bleach, or ammonia-based cleaners. These products can damage grout lines and reduce the attractive finish of your porcelain tiles over time. After mopping, dry the floor with a clean microfiber cloth to prevent water spots and streaks. This simple step can make a big difference in the final appearance of the floor. With regular sweeping, mild cleaning solutions, and proper drying, your porcelain tile floors will stay beautiful, hygienic, and chemical-free for years to come. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.